unutilized resource in all of the world is human potential to be versatile. The world today expects us to do multiple things at once with perfection. In the fast-paced, technologically driven landscape of the 21st century, the art of multitasking has become a defining characteristic of how individuals navigate and manage their lives. The very term multitasking means doing multiple things at once. It includes the rapid switching of attention and engagement between various tasks. This toggling ability is flawlessly exhibited by our own bodies. Imagine our bodies trying to monotask. Oh, we ate a lot today. Let me just completely focus on digestion. We'll do the breathing later. Even such a thought is quite unimaginable and poses threat to survival. Does multitasking mean doing multiple things at once, or doing things at which we are already good and can handle all of them with equal importance? Does this make us jack of all and master of none, or does it make us jack of competence, master of survival? Multitasking is not something that has to be forcefully adapted into our lives. Some people are of the opinion that doing multiple things at once makes us work more without potential usage of our brain. However, this complex phenomena encompasses both advantages and implications that warrant a deeper exploration. Doing multiple things at once exhibits the shrewdness of our brain activities. It also forces the brain to expand its bandwidth of knowledge and management. It is scientifically proven that just the mere perception of multitasking has boosted the performance of many individuals at a time. Among 32 studies with 8,242 participants, it was proven that people who believed they were multitasking outperformed those who were completely focusing on one single task. Shalina Sarna, a UX researcher at Meta, explains, the perception of multitasking often helps rather than harms engagement and performance. When we engage in activities, construing it as multitasking could really help us. One of the most alluring promises of multitasking lies in its potential to help individuals optimize their time by accomplishing multiple goals within a limited time frame. This ability is celebrated as a critical skill in modern workforce. Multitasking will always remain as the strongest weapon mankind ever possessed that has and will always help us survive through the harsh evolutionary changes of time and nature. But can all of us master this art of multitasking? Is this ability the same with all? The ability to multitask varies from person to person due to differences in cognitive thinking as well as individual differences in attention, working memory, and task switching abilities. Some people may have a better attentional control and might be better at multitasking, but some might find it really difficult to focus on multiple tasks simultaneously. Multitasking will always remain as a boon for mankind. The nature itself is very diverse and does not focus on one single thing at a time. We do not have a lifespan of centuries to master each and every skill one after the other. Everything needs to be done simultaneously and quickly. Yes, multitasking is not a cakewalk and requires a lot of efforts, but so does success and fame. If an individual wants to lead a common life like one among the 100, without much efforts, a calm and peaceful life with no ups and downs, that is no indication of existence, monotasking will be the best. But for people who want to be extraordinary, want to contribute to something to the society, those who believe they are here on the earth to accomplish a goal, multitasking will always remain as a strong weapon. Now, what can we do to equip ourselves with this weapon? To start with, creating to-do lists on a daily basis helps streamline your thoughts and gain clarity on what needs to be accomplished first. Prioritizing tasks. Focus on high priority tasks first and prioritize according to importance and deadlines. This will help allocate your attention and time whenever necessary. Breaking down complex tasks into smaller components will help us gain clarity, and also it reduces stress and increases focus. As individuals navigate through the complexities of modern life, mastering the art of multitasking will require a judicious blend of focus, efficiency, and adaptability. Ultimately, it is the deliberate and conscious use of this skill that allows it to become a valuable weapon in the arsenal of contemporary living. Thank you.